All right, let's take a look at this PCB. I'm kind of jacked. Kind of jacked to the tits for this PCB. I've heard nice things. I've heard nice things about Maxis PCBs. When did I get this? I got it yesterday. Out of nowhere. All right, let's check it out. Bam. Damn, that is fucking red. Bro, that is so red. Oh my God. Yeah, you can't tell because it's on yellow. Because the yellow distracts. But look how red it is. Damn. Fucking love this color. Wait, is this CEM? No, it's FR4. That is pretty good. That is pretty fucking good. It's pretty good. Am I gonna do an in-depth review on the cipher? Yep, I sure am. All right, let's do a little installation, I guess. Oh, it clips so firmly. It sits so firmly in the hole. I love it. You can tell it's a good PCB when you just shove in the clip-ins and they're not going anywhere. I'll check the MCU in a moment. It's probably a 32U4. Unless he went ARM, which I would be surprised. Ah! Fucking get in there, you little slut. Hello? Ow. Bro, that is tight as fuck. Why is this so tight? Oh, there we go. Damn. That is a tight boy. Oh no, I don't think you can use clip-ins on the far right. Let's find out. Oh, you can. Wow, those tolerances are... Check out these tolerances on this one. Look at that. It's like barely in there. You've only got like a tiny bit of PCB holding it in. That's not bad. All right, the MCU is a AT Mega. So it's not an ARM. It is a... Fuck, I can't tell. Come on, camera. Don't be a bitch. Yep, 32U4. I was right. Okay. It's the smaller variant of the 32U4. So there's a big boy version and a small boy. They're the same controller, just this one is smaller. Neat. Nice. That's pretty pog. That is pretty fucking pog. All right. All right, let's see what this supports for bottom row. Wow, this supports like all the bottom row. Okay, so I was wrong. This one, I can't do 1.5, 1.5. All I can do is 1.5, 1.5. And then on this side, I think I can do a 1.5, 1. And then that's it. I'll confirm. I'll confirm. Pro tip, always test out your bottom row before you solder anything. So we're gonna do that. Did I test the PCB? No, I don't have to test the PCB. It's from a reliable maker. Oh yeah, switches. Where's my Gateron Tangies? Where them Tangies at, bro? Give me some of that sweet, sweet Tangy. Of course we go Tangerine for... Of course we go Tangerine for the spacebar. You gotta go Tangerine for the spacebar. You just gotta. Alright. Let's put it in the hole. And then fucking get it up in there. Let's make sure it's well aligned. It is well aligned. It is not well aligned. There we go. Now it is well aligned. Okay, I hear a little rattle, but don't worry, we're gonna lube it. And then these are mods. These are alphas. And these are FRO and nav, so that's gonna go on the numpad. So we'll start with the mod keys. And I want to go with a 1.5, 1.5, 1.51. Let's see if that's a possibility. All right, we got ourselves a 1.5 alt. How close can we get it? Perfect. All right, another 1.5 to the left. Come on. There we go. Nice. And then on the right side, are OG Tangi's worth aftermarket? In my opinion, nothing is worth aftermarket, ever. But that is my opinion. I'm pretty sure it's 1.5, 1.57, 1.5, 1.5. That would be nice, actually. That's actually decently usable for me. We will confirm. Okay. All right, last one. Let's see if this baby fits. You bet your ass it does. Oh wait, no, that's an R3. What am I doing? That's an R3 control. God damn it. Ah, fuck it. I can just test with the other side. Okay, that's a gap. That is not a gap. All right, we're good. Yep, you are correct. 1.5, 1.57, 1.5. Nice. Let's do a little. You know what we're gonna be doing. You know exactly what we're gonna be doing. Let me get out the materials. Oh wow, this thing is nearly empty. Okay, this thing is like definitely empty. All right, we're gonna need another one. Is Superlube worth it over general dielectric? I mean, they also make dielectric, and also, like, when you get good pricing, sometimes they're like $4 for a tube. All right, got our backup squirter. All right, there we go. Get a little on the wire. Perfect. Repeat on the other side. Oh, baby. Nice. Nice. Real nice. Won't this not get any lube under the wire? This is half of the process. The other half is after the build, you spam it. So it kind of makes the lube go into the places it should be. So we're just initially just like placing it on top until we spam the shit out of it. Wow, I just nearly knocked over my beer. There we are. That's why I push it in from the back. Oh yeah, that is also something you can do. But I only do that if like I notice that there's still a problem with the stab. I don't do it by default. Poggies. All right. We can add a little more in the future, but I think this is enough to get us started. Hello? It doesn't like something. What doesn't it like? What don't you like? Is it not like the thickness of my stabs? Hello? That's really weird. There we go. You just have to shove it in there.